Airplane mode or using Realme Narzo phone on an airplane. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to use airplane mode on your Realme Narzo phone, which is essential while flying to comply with airline regulations and avoid signal interference. Here's what you need to know. In order to turn on airplane mode, you simply need to go to the quick setting panel and tap on airplane mode. This will enable airplane mode, or you can even disable it tapping on airplane mode again. Method 2, you can do it through your settings also. For that, head to the settings. Now navigate to connection and sharing. Look for airplane mode at top of your screen and toggle it on. So what happens when airplane mode is on? All your mobile network will be disabled. Disabled by default, but you can manually re-enable all your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth if the airline allows. You can still use offline apps like music, games, notes, watch downloaded videos, use Wi-Fi if enabled separately, and connect Bluetooth devices like headphones, etc. So, using your Realme phone on an airplane, before takeoff, you can turn on airplane mode. During flight, you can ask if Wi Fi or Bluetooth is allowed. Re enable Wi Fi or Bluetooth as needed while keeping cellular off. So, that is how we can easily use airplane mode on your Realme Narzo phone on an airplane. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like, share, and comment.